Welcome to my channel, UGC-NET English Literature Smart Study. We already have an overall view on the timeline of history of literature. Now we will have a look at every age part by part, from Old English period to postmodern period. Timeline of Old English or Anglo-Saxon period. Major events. 55 to 54 BC, Roman Emperor Julius Caesar invaded Britain. We know it that he was not successful, he just go back. 43 AD, Roman rule started. Before 43 AD, what is this? This is prehistoric Britain. And from 43 AD, Roman rule in Britain started for around 400 years. Roman Emperor Claudius made his successful invasion in Britain. Then 180 AD, the first evidence of Christianity in Romanized Britain. We know that during Anglo-Saxon period, St. Augustine was sent and Christianity was started. But that was not the first point of Christianity in Britain. When the Roman rule was prominent there, even then Christianity was introduced. 313 AD, Emperor Constantine allows Christians freedom of worship. 410 AD, withdrawal of the Roman legions from Britain. Okay, as the Romans were in the Britain, then their homeland was attacked by vicious Goths and Huns, and so they have to withdraw from this land, from Britain, to protect their own country. So now Britain is free, and then there came Angles, Saxons and Jutes around 449 AD. 537 AD, death of King Arthur. We all know about Arthurian legends and King Arthur story we read in our childhood. 597 AD, St. Augustine of Canterbury arrived in England. Missionaries were sent from Rome to preach Christian doctrine among the people. King Ethelbert of Kent was baptized. Latin influence stirred its head from then. So, with the advent of Christianity in Britain, Latin influence stirred its head. 601 AD, St. Augustine becomes the first Archbishop of Canterbury. It will be became. 730 AD, Venerable Bede produced his Ecclesiastical History of the English People. It is a very valuable book because it helps to understand and know about that period of time in history of literature in Britain when there is no as much as information available. 802 AD, Egbert of Wessex became leader of the Heptarchy. You have already known the word Heptarchy, rule of seven kingdom of Anglo-Saxon period. Among them, Wessex became the prominent, became powerful. 865 AD, the Scandinavians occupied northeastern Britain and began a campaign to conquer all of England. 871 AD, King Alfred, the famous king of Old English or Anglo-Saxon period, about whom we know for his Anglo-Saxon chronicles and other books. So, Alfred became king of Wessex and reigned until he died in 889. He rescued England from Scandinavian clutches. He produced and sponsored the translation of Latin words into English. In 1066 AD, Edward the Confessor died and Harold was nominated as next king. But sadly, William of Normandy conquered the British throne and the Norman period started. So, Anglo-Saxon period ended with Harold. Regarding the dates, there is be some controversy, but 1066 is a fixed year, but other years there is some variation in many of the books, 1 or 2 years variation. That is not so important. Just keep in mind the comprehensive guideline of timelines. Okay, if you like my channel, then share and subscribe, and if you find any disparity or anything, please comment me below and inform that. Okay, thank you.